What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, we're going to be talking about a lot of stuff, jam-packed with information, giving you an understanding of exactly what's going on with the burn rate, understanding what my burn video did, and see if we can get more traction to that burn video, while also understanding what Shiba Inu is doing right now and what I plan on doing with Shiba Inu for the future. So there's going to be a lot of information in this video regarding my Shiba and just your Shiba and Shiba in general. It's just going to be, I think, a boatload of information. So make sure you stick around for the whole entire thing, and we will have everything. I don't know the full structure of exactly where everything lays out, but maybe I'll have some timestamps, maybe I won't. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help my channel out quite a bit. Sign up for the Patreon. Check out my Profit Apparel gear, profitsapparel.com. Definitely check that out. But let's start out with understanding how much my burn video actually generated in revenue and how much will be burned off at the moment, right? We're not going to understand exactly how many coins will be burned off, but in dollars, right? So let's go into the detail here, and you're going to see my analytics for this video. It gained 19,300 views, and you're seeing that the estimated revenue right here is $248. Now that's minus taxes. I would have to basically factor that in, but $248 is great. That's more than what, basically it was before having this video. So if you guys want to support this video more, feel free to check that out. The link will be up in the cards. I will have it there so you guys can support the video. But yeah, it's just burning off SHIB every single month. I'm taking all of the revenue minus the taxes and putting it on SHIB. So it's not any cost to you. It's not any cost to me. So feel free to share this video that I have on the screen with all of your friends, with the SHIB army, and we should be able to get 1 million people to watch this every single month, hopefully 10 times, and then we'll have 10 million views on it every single month, which should equate to about $100,000. Obviously, minus taxes, we would be burning off, about $60,000 every single month if it gets to that level. So make sure you share it with a lot of people, and we can get this thing really running. I know a lot of people are talking about burn rates, and if you really think that this can't get to $1 with understanding how much is going into burning this off, I think you're kind of just delusional, I guess. There's a lot of people that see it for what it is right now, but for what it can be is a way bigger picture, right? So if I go into just search Shiba Inu burn, right, there's a ton of results that you get throughout this whole entire thing, right? This list here. So many people talking about a different burn, how much will be burned off, how much has been burned off, all of these different things. And it's making me fully understand exactly what this looks like and what this can be, right? It's a burn token, and then it will eventually get to a point to where people use it as it was intended. However, it's supposed to burn, right? You're supposed to burn off trillions of tokens. And I think that will be the case with not only this, or not this video, but the video that I had up on the screen, but also with music, with ticket sales, with, just burning it by developers, a system level burn, right? So it's showing that this definitely has a possibility, a strong possibility of getting to lower and lower levels. It's definitely guaranteed to go to lower levels to burn off coins, burn off trillions of coins throughout time. However, we don't know exactly how many trillions that will be burned off. Hopefully, it's all the trillions and we get down to just holding billions of coins. Then that will be absolutely phenomenal for our pockets and the people that consistently hold on throughout time. So, yeah, that's what I wanted to state. Again, it's $248 right now. If you want to support it, feel free to go ahead and support it. It's getting about 2,000 views in 48 hours. So we would like to see that get more, 10,000 views, 20,000 views, 30,000 views in 48 hours. We want to see it grow a lot so that we can burn off coins. That's the only purpose of this video, is to burn off coins. I have this set aside as the burn video. So if you want to go and watch it, this will burn off coins, and I will change again the thumbnail. I just don't know what to change it to, and how it would be displayed as a burn message, right? So anyways, let's get into Shiba Inu's price right now. It's currently at 2,800. It did drop all the way down to about 2,600 yesterday. and seeing how far it has climbed, that's great to be able to see that. It still is down about 3.5% over the last day. You do have a lot of transactions, so $1.2 billion in transactions, which is up 40%. But does that mean that it's all positive? No. It does look like they're showing that 74% buy versus 26% sell, but you are seeing a negative movement. Well, actually over time right here from this low you're seeing a positive movement, so it makes sense how you are seeing that. You do have 58 days of typical hold time, so that consistently goes up every single day. People are holding on to it for longer and longer. I actually think that Shiba Inu might surpass Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of these like higher level, higher profile coins. Um, in days, in the amount of days that people are holding it, because of the fact that people believe in how far and how long you would have to hold this for it to actually pay out something right now. Say if you bought in right now, you would have to, it would take you probably years for it to actually pay out a big sum, right? The sum you're expecting. So if you put in $200 and looking to take millions of coins and turn it into millions of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars, it might take, months to years, right? So that's where we stand with Shiba Inu. As looking at the chart, looking at where it is now, seeing this low price, what do I plan on doing with my 60 million coins that I have here? 60.7 million coins. Well, I'm going to continue to add to it. It's not something to where I'm like, okay, you know what? It's down, so let me sell my position and get out of the position. Why would I sit here and take a loss on something that's short term here and just not, um, you know, pocket what I think I'm going to pocket in the end? Now you will see these withdrawals here. So this withdrawal, right? These are burned. So I ended up burning off about 3 million coins, right? I ended up burning off about 3 million coins. Happy about that. I'm not happy about spending my own money to do it because there is a better way of doing it, because I do have that burn video to where if you watch or anybody watches, you burn off Shiba Inu every single month, and we're going to go through that and burn it live. So I don't want to keep pushing this thing, but I do at the same time because I support Shiba Inu, and I know you do as well. So if you do, share that video. It's on my channel. I will again put it in the cards, and we'll see where that goes by the end of the month. So let's go ahead and look at some understanding of Shiba Inu news, right? So right now, as things are falling, right, as a lot of crypto is falling, Shiba Inu is kind of getting punched in the gut, so kicked while it's down, because Shiba Inu is falling, right? It fell, and there's a lot of other positions that fell as well. It's not just Shiba, right? It's Bitcoin, it's Ethereum, it's Solana, it's Cardano, it's everything that's really falling. You have a select few that's probably increasing, but most of them are actually falling quite a bit, and the market cap is below $2 trillion. So it obviously is falling down, and eventually we're going to see that run, the rip, after the dip, right? So, or before the dip, whatever, you know what I mean. The dip came now, and the rip comes later. That's what I meant to say. But some of them are actually positive articles from the Motley Fool that then again also become negative, because it's like, what's better than Dogecoin at the bottom of the article. So I wanted to call that out, and just say that there's a lot of negativity when it comes to things that are very popular, because negativity sells. When people see a negative article saying, oh, it came back to earth, or whatever, people will click on that article and try and read into it, when in fact it actually has a lot of positivity to it. It's just the title is very, very negative, right? That's what sells clicks. So again, I have 60 million, and I plan on adding to my position. I'm not going to let go of my position. And again, we're looking to burn off coins here. So we can definitely see this get to $1, right? I know we can see it get to $1. It's just how long it will take to get to that point. While people say, in my comment section all the time, $1 is absolutely impossible. It's horrible. Don't quote this, because if you do say something like this and you put this out there, it'll never happen, right? Saying that things will never happen is not great, right? That leaves you in a state of where you're going to just be completely negative, right? Towards everything, right? You start to look at everything else, and you're like, oh, you know what? The market cap just seems ridiculous, and that doesn't look like it can make a move. However, Bitcoin, their market cap in the past looked like it couldn't actually get to the levels that it's at now. And, it hit a level of $1 trillion, over $1 trillion market cap. Ethereum up to $500 billion. So don't say anything is impossible. Um, say it's a strong possibility that it will not, but I believe that there's a higher possibility than you believe, obviously, because you believe it's a 0% chance. I believe we have around maybe a 30, 35, 40% chance to end up making those moves. And depending on what happens in 2022, it could be a higher percentage because we could see a massive burn happen. We could see a whole bunch of FOMO, a ton of buying opportunity that goes into this, which right now at these low prices, I think it's definitely a buying opportunity. So that's why I said I'm going to buy. But that's my video, guys. I wanted to break down Shiba Inu, everything that we had going on with SHIB, and not just put it into different videos, which I could have put it into 3 different videos and said what I was gonna burn, what Shiba Inu is doing right now, like am I gonna buy the dip or whatever. I could have put it into 3 videos, but I'm gonna put it in one video because I'm not doing all of that. But yeah, let me know what you think about Shiba right now. Let me know what you think about getting to $1. Let me know what you think about the burn video. I want to know all of your opinions down below in the comment section. Make sure you guys hit that like button. It does help me out. If you got to this point, I greatly appreciate you watching all the way until the end. My view duration is usually around 40%. So if you got to this point, you are part of a select few that actually make it to the end. So again, I appreciate it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. There's 62% now. 62% of you guys are not subscribed. So feel free to hit that subscribe button. That's higher than some other ones. And it's also lower than some other ones. So I'm happy to be in the middle. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you in the next one.